You are seriously looking for my attention. You keep commenting everywhere around my post. You want to go? You are looking for attention. Eh? And I mean, you for the moon so much grace and ogonogo to change from being unfortunate. Man, I need that time. Oh, nature he change him. Many of you have run away. You are still a learner. You are still a learner. Hey, Obata. Hey, Obata. Mexico. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Onubata n'ozugbo. Dalo hinne my brother. Onye nwa igozie o. Onye nwa igozie o. Thank you very much. You other go. So, when I came newly na this app, because I can feel the pain of this empire. I mean, the kind of entitlement one night because no feel no nyeriaka we promote page. I don't know how he did it or whatever, but we feel this empire indebted to him, that this empire must always be speaking everything, must always be saying everything, even when he is moving out of track. This empire should be clapping for him. And let me even tell you, this empire countless times engage guy. If he has not engaged other people, she has engaged me personally about Jpac. Yes. Only one video one certain time about content creators in the southeast. Yeah. Only one video post to certain time about content creators in the southeast. Upcoming creators. After make that video, this empire called me and said, Ezugo, ika akwafa Jpac yeba. Na Jpac you see, this is how she kept on behind the scene speaking for this man. Ofodo onwe video email maka Jpac okpo na phone sego Ezugo na Jpac doko na this na Jpac ahụ na ajo mmadu na Jpac kwonifa. She kept on doing that. She kept on doing that. There was this is, I have seen Jpac far. I have seen Jpac far. That is why he do a full video when I say I told her I have seen Jpac far. Upload today can be done for people like Jpac. I have seen people like Jpac. I have seen them. I know their behaviors. That was the reason why I'm going back on this app. Look, let me tell even Jpac for day. When I came into blogging here on Facebook, when I came into blogging here on Facebook, I did not come here first to look for money. Yes, and I am telling this to so many other people who will ideas they want to be sharing to people on Facebook here. You must not be here for money. You see, look at somebody, look at this empire now. You are driving a 2024 motor. You are driving a car alone at 2024. It is very clear that now any extra money battle through blogging is just a bonus. It's just a bonus. I've met with your husband. Do very, very comfortable. There is nothing you people are lacking. Your husband, the park, you people are comfortable. So it is very clear that your mission here on Facebook is to come and pass your message for people to hear. Yes, we are not saying that now. Capital oil, different means of income. But I am saying that it is not the main priority. It is not the main priority. You see, now when I came in here to avoid this kind of thing, it's not as if I didn't know. He kept on throwing shade. He kept on belittling me. He kept on. I can go and dig out so many videos. Pass at me. I remember one day. Mazi, you say I greet you. I remember one day on a program. And on that program. Governor Ezioku on that program. waja nọ na that program. Then nyawa bata. He didn't know that no my platform called Batalone. That was the first day Nwoko Oji Facebook page ye we bata na my own platform. He came in, but he did not know that no my own platform called Batal. So when Ogeshi Okeke Njaka requested that I should bring her in, Nyama Noreba Afia Imifokulu that they should drop Ezugo and bring in Ogeshi. That is the kind of segregation and level this guy in Ekuwumwe. I don't know what they are feeling like. Ufoduni may have feel una with 200,000 followers that they have made it. You have 200,000 followers. There are people who have 200 million in their account. Do you have that amount? Yeah? Do you have that amount? Who told you that those numbers email as followers? Who told you that they even translate to the real followers email? Or when email followers are email then I call on when they are support when they have a wash if you wash. You see? So he told them to drop Ezugo. Waja we no na platform Ezugo kono. Or see on a platform Ezugo kono. Yaman ono zuheba 2 minutes or drop what? Or drop what? He intentionally never wanted to come into my platform with the page here because no feel no better na platform with the page here. Na followers here sorry away better. Come watch it better or better with the Eguna Joseph. Because when battle awful, he never knew that we were driving somewhere. He thought he never knew that no one buy na drive. You see, you remember those days. The first Okunkulu Maka Jpac was during the time of Akwokoko and the Okongu Dibia and Onwefa a what ago. That was the first Okunkulu Maka. Onwe the passing no trouble and the upcoming content creators actually do humble kenyeru aka blah 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 ojuko we promote page onya promote this empire promote governor Ezioku na onye wa ya bia kenyeri aka blah 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 ona afie be niile. When we started engaging very interesting topic with waja then educate moment of truth this empire na join I Nkelafe Gulu Igbo mention them the first set of people I na mail interaction na Facebook. Don't forget this issue of religion na we were the first people who mail now that actually in fact I can tell you that now we were the people we made this matter a topic of discussion. Yes, before it became what it is today. And I am happy that we did that. Because if not because of that, a lot of our people are careful. So we came in through another dimension. When he saw that what we were doing, that he will even be left out if he doesn't join the train. That was when he started. He started coming in, but Oje Bata, or Bata with Eguna Joseph, or Yekwe Bata. Now, before I even go to the area where I want to advise those who have ideas to share on Facebook. If you have money, I have something to tell you. If you don't have money, I also have something to tell you. Now, kudos to people like Ogeshi Okeke Njaka, Abalawani. Ogechi can be anything to you. Ogechi can be anything that is not good to you. She can be anything that is not good to anybody. But let us not throw away the fact that now Ogechi they look out for brothers and there are some kind of order. If Ogechi want to come into your program, she will come in with her main account. Anybody who is a content creator can grow. But the benefit of somebody with a huge following, join your program with his or her main account. Ogechi can do that easily. Look, let me tell you something. Oh, Ogechi sure he make go with that page in the Madonna corner. She can do that. Do you know how much people want to charge just to share your program? Not their page. Ogechi can easily share your program. Ogechi can easily share your this guy need to be blocked. Okay. Why don't you go? Let me help you. You don't need to say it. Okay, you are off. You gotta go. You are off. You gotta. So she can easily, if I will fe ofodu ji akpanganga. If I will ofodu ji akpanganga. If I will ofodu ji akpanganga. Okay, she will topic you know discuss. If she want to join that program, she will join with her page. She will over 1 million followers. The moment okay, she got her pay program like this. Or not need 50 people in view. The moment or battle, then a view will shoot over 100. It is a plus. You don't know that she can make that page a business page even without Mark Azuka paying her. Do you know? She can make much more money than many people again at the end of the month. She can do that. But only for Korea, on a now build a lot of upcoming content creators who will sometimes hang to discuss or share here on Facebook without even mentioning it, without even making reference to that. You see? So, I know a lot of people who have joined my program without making mouth about it. Without making mouth about it. And you don't. Oye Shaka. I joined Ugo, my program. Ubolone. Do you know what it means for Ayedons with the page that kind of followership to join my program? He immediately all joined. Oh, and then I was again to 80 or to 50. The moment Tonya Hona join, if he know Jpac man, that is why he cannot do because all I can no me I say okay, if I will for me. I have seen a poor no me I said if I will for me. I would like when I does only shaka. When I went for hospital visit, I does supported that visit in Garo during my birthday with ego. He supported me about transfer. When I made some videos about Ayedons of recent, did you see where Ayedons is saying, Okonye Anyelaka we promote video? Did you see those guys say when ife fana akpo umu ife ni n'afọ? Those guys say when ife fana akpo umu ife ni na fana fear na Ndi Igbo supposedly dey yellow onwe fa aka. They don't look at all those things. They don't look at all those things. I mean, so many of them go beyond those pettiness. Yeah? So many of them go beyond. Yeah, I got to go that pettiness. Uncle IB has joined my program, despite the fact that we don't really agree on some part of it. But he has joined my program. Do you see people like that? Let me even tell you, almost all the content creators, especially the upcoming one, and those people who are now taking over. My name older men. Now this is for them. We see the new breeding apostrophe now. If you divide them into 3, 2 who students of Uncle IB. 2. Yeah, half of them and another quarter of half again. I mean like 60% or 65%. Now pass under the tutelage of Uncle IB. Yes. Uncle IB will over 1,000 content creators on bring it up. They are making exploit in different fields. Do you want me to tell you about even those who have been established, but Uncle IB Kasononye Nagai, they have technically and otherwise. So many of them. You cannot count. People you cannot imagine. They are what all over ha. Eh? Na boye. Na a seeking advice or na guide her and so many other things. Have you ever seen Uncle IB? Eh? Na brag that I did this, I did it. But he can do that. Or in fact, somebody look at Uncle IB can come and do that because office here now do so busy. If you go to his office, I can tell you that they know an office Uncle IB for 5 hours. You will see some of the people you wish to see one-on-one. I'm telling you the fact, the way it is. Have you ever seen him bragging? No, Meloni ever. Some of those guys, they don't count that as anything. They don't count that as anything. They do it effortlessly, as if it is nothing. Without saying, I'm not saying you must do it, but I'm saying if you eventually do that, what? I mean, what is there for you to come and start holding it against somebody? Now, when I came out newly, I knew Mazi Yusi, I want to actually can quote something without distraction before my mother on this program. When I came to this app, I came here well prepared. That was one thing Jpac did not know then. That was one thing Jpac did not know then. I came to this app well prepared. I wasn't hungry. Yeah, I wasn't hungry. I have something I am doing. I'm okay before I joined this. So I knew that what I needed then was for people to hear me. This is something I am telling to so many other people who think they have something. Then I will now talk to those who are coming up, or maybe those people who are coming up into content so that they can make money. The only advice I can give to you, let me talk to those who have money in their pocket to push their idea so that people can hear them. You got to go. Mostly, I want to talk to those people like Desi's Empire and so many other people who have money in their pocket, but the only problem is for people to hear them and hear their idea or their ideologies or what they want to share with people. But for those upcoming content creators, join Uncle IB's class. You will thank me later. I am equipped because of anything. I am still a student of Uncle IB. I am still in the class of Uncle IB. So some of the questions you can easily go there and learn it. There is a WhatsApp group where you will be there with a lot of other content creators. You must spend money no matter how little it is. You must spend money no matter how little it is. You must spend money. And thereby you are doing more cheaper for you. How much does it cost to even join that class? It doesn't cost much to join that class. You will learn everything you need to learn about content. You will learn everything you need to learn about how to do a video, how to do everything. Very cheap, very cheap, very cheap. I can tell you, very, very cheap. Very cheap. At some point, you don't even need to. All you need to do is to drop a voice note and people will respond to you. Immediately, you will apply it and you see it moving. But you will not see him coming out to use it against somebody. I have made videos, 1, 2, mentioning the name of Uncle IB. Uncle IB. Okay, class here. Oh yeah, he can do that. He can go to his phone. Do you know how many times I call Uncle IB on phone seeking for one advice, making one inquiries or no, the moment he call you or two laugh ezugo or one on a these are people I can tell you that they mean well for Ndi Igbo, not minding where you are standing with them. You gotta go on spark, you got divisions, bragging with something that doesn't make any sense or any meaning. Bragging up and down with nothing. Bragging with nothing. So now, at Fonde Ejirego, I have advised you on where you can go and you can get that free service and whatever thing you need that will help you to grow. Oblu no help or more ways to go. I will not direct you to that place. This is different now from Oka Omenala Igbo. This one now is the reality now. You can go there and learn and come out to share your own different idea, different from Uncle IB with the platform or with the group. Well, I do that and we are okay. When I drive to his office, he welcomes me. Yes. Now, Fondeji some money now, but you want people to hear your voice. When I came to this app, I needed people to hear my voice. I want people to hear me because I know that I have a lot of things to share. In fact, I was commenting on pages of Matthias and so many people I was commenting on pages of Matthias. Look, the incident that made me to actually decide that I'm going to come on this app was when I commented on Maria Washi Ude page and she blocked me. Yeah, I commented on her page and she blocked me. That is why I keep telling you people, all these people you see preaching tolerance, most of them doesn't have 1% atom of tolerance in them. They don't have it. So don't even think of what you make here a comment, sharing your own opinion. They will block you. But they will come and tell you, you should endure. You should not do anything. Are they doing it? So that was during the time of Shimak. That was during the time of Shimak. After that time of Shimak in Gashalo, for the case of Matthias Isiagu, when I comment in a live broadcast here, it seems like nobody is hearing me. It seems that nobody is hearing me. I watch my Zidibia, drop a comment or don't comment in the man or canko. Ufodo Murike, Habena comment, Ufodo Murike, Habena comment. Guru Igbo, I am blocking people, but I have never for one day preached to you that in only you should do this. I practice what I preach. I practice what I'm preaching. I'm talking about people who think that other people are not being accommodating, other people are not tolerating. I have told you that what I wouldn't like you to do to me, I won't do it to you. Yes. So because no more buzo why you now can look at Messi at now soon you move right or power because of gono a woman something we take do so mona call the car Odoguranya now. Let me continue. So when I came in that I need to talk for as many times as I want to talk so that people will hear me. I came in. Kudos to Yam Baba. I can never stop talking about Yam Baba. Now this Yam Baba, I've talked about him countless times na Facebook page here. Do you know that particular time I was talking about Yam Baba was still rendering services to me. That time I was talking about Odogu and Aisha. Yam Baba was still rendering services to me. Yes, I have said it. Yam Baba na all his platforms, Odogu and Aisha. I'm saying this now for people who have money to promote their idea for people to hear it. It is far more better than going to these people who have entitlement mentality for them to hold that same idea. You have an idea, app. When you go to Rumoko, if you are not smart or sharp enough, they will suppress that same idea. At this blue app, you will not fly. And the moment you start blowing like air like them, you cannot go. You cannot go, and you will not have that fulfillment at this app. That fulfillment at this app. Here. I am not talking about those people who be strictly to make money. If you come here strictly to make money, I can tell you, if you are jumping on controversy, don't go into analyzing. Pretty asa south. You see, sometimes pretty asa south will come and give you that news the way it is being said. Reporting, I'm telling you, you need it. Or analyze the channel with that news. If you want to go into controversy, you can go into reporting what other people say, so that people will not say no. But if you come into analyzing, there are two places people categorize. Some people will always want to associate you with the saga. Some people will like to associate you with a saga. Number one. Number two, the more consistent you are in the idea and approach in a take, the more you will start building solid fans. The more you will start building solid fans. And when you do it over and over again, it will become a full-grown idea. And people will know you that this is how Ezugo is. This is how Ezugo is. It is better for you. Now, let me go back to where I was. Yam Baba has shared, if I'm not mistaken, let me not lie, when I came on this app. And it helped me. If I do help me because I used the money I have in my pocket to push that idea because I needed people to hear me out. So I needed to get to people faster. Yam Baba helped me a lot. Uncle Bali, if you know him, actually, this page, you know here, Uncle Bali, a very strong man in the tech industry, a very strong man, very big, bigger than you can ever think. Uncle Bali played more than 70% to 80% role in this page when I came in here newly. A very big guy. Every month, let me not go that far, because when you talk about those who are making money in this app, you talk about Uncle Bali. Very jovial human being. You can disagree with him. But on my page, far back last year, when we were talking about the issue of Odogwu and Aisha, he came in and he was in my page for over 30 minutes with his page over how many thousand followers. You see? Yeah? He came in with his page, Mwelu, over how many thousand followers. We discussed at length, very jovial. He has never for one day In fact, it was Uncle Bali that opened this page, Isiagu Global TV. Let me tell you, it was Uncle Bali that opened this page, Isiagu Global TV. Till today, no matter how we disagree on issues and whatever, Uncle Bali has never pulled it against me. He has never. Our issue is our issue. What happened? This what happened. That is maturity. Yam Baba has shared over 70 of my videos. Yam Baba shared over 70 of my videos in his different platforms. Yes, Yam Baba those days, even now, Mwelu prices so de gasele Oji Isiagu video e promote through new upcoming content creators videos you have na different pages here. Odogwu and Aisha were the price. Yam Baba comedy Mwelu about 1.something million. That is why I said that no gechi sure Jpac ya we gbuozu no ye ji egbuozu. Are na content creators who will go na southeast. We know those who are there. You must count Yam Baba. Hey, go Yam Baba. You are joking. That guy doesn't need Mark Nwazoka to pay him every month for him to make money. That guy make money every minute, every day. A lot in our account to that guy. All those guys say the humble. They know what they have come to do in the app. They don't need to come. And then, office Yam Baba, and they respond to you immediately. And I say, oh, yes, sir. What can we do for you? And then, as an upcoming content creator, they understand that Nim will other potentials aside what is happening online here. Do they even know who is calling? They don't know. They don't know, because Facebook is all about coming to share idea. Unless on the for comedy, on the for other things. But for us to be for real issues, we are here to share idea. We need people to hear us. When we got say prizes. So those days, let me tell you, so that some from then they may go and find job, go and look for what to do. I am telling you what is verifiable. I am telling you what is verifiable. Yes, instead of me going around to go and start looking for somebody, Jpac and do it, I spent my money. And I still appreciated those people who helped me then, because their rate was very minimal. I interacted with so many content creators then. For they are going to share your live video, you give them 200,000. For they are saying to share your video, you give them 50 or 100,000. But Yam Baba may for price they do so minimal that you can afford it. So sometimes I may make like 4 videos in a day. I want 4 alert. A way share 4 videos are. If you doubt it, ask Okongudibia. Yes. Okongwu Dibia did it sometime for me. And Ubolone can post to na video Okongwu Dibia. Ubolone can know that Okongwu Dibia be an answer. Na mbwezi go video call no merenka. You have asked. You have never heard him say such. Yes, I have never heard him say such. Yes, those days when I went to come on live, Abomo Kongu, so usually you know that okay will go for the or had they pick it. Or was the number show my baby? But show my baby na manage account. And your number show my baby. So in show a live program, or show my baby, when I'm about go, show my baby, she had the program was go. That was how I got more viewers listening to me. What am I knowing like that person will come back tomorrow. That was my aim. I'm a knowing like that person will come back tomorrow. So I need to gather those people from wherever they are. That was what I wanted. So Okongwu Dibia did it for I think for like 2 weeks for me. Yam Baba ran it for me concurrently for like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Only her message in Chole pass if you know this message. Nanchoko Gafa. I will contact their office. As minimal as a 2 fee has to I will pay. Let this message go across so that people will hear it. I did it repeatedly. I knew what I spent. But now that time Yam Baba Kanemeye, I was still talking about Odogwu and Aisha. Hey, Father Anama analyze here the best way to analyze here. Analyze Shakwe. Echekwa nampo office Yam Baba. Na Yam Baba ya say no Ishi. Mpokwa office Yam Baba. Wow. Obawi ozboni wa Yam Baba so na content creator no na southeastern chunky grow. Take it or leave it. Yes, that was how he opened the Young Content Factory. That young content factory would to grow upcoming content creators. You need to be updated if you really want to. For those who are interested in making so much money in this industry. Yes, I won't lie to you, there are so many ways you can make money. I'm not here to come and do lecture on content creator, but I'm here to tell you real issues that will help you. I'm here to tell you real issues that will help you. So Yam Baba, let me come by I've been a Southeast content creators. Okay, man, that so many others they help money. But okay, man, that okay for Yam Baba, okay for Uncle IB. Yam Baba, Uncle IB, Skibo Committee, Los Zeus, Kelonio Zoma Popalo, another Apama. Okay, for these 5 people, how will you charge other people? Ndawo, Baba, Ndawo She, Ndawo Dashi, especially Yam Baba. Yam Baba will grow you faster than you can imagine. With the other people, then all those technical advices so that you cannot die to a day to a how you can do this. Uncle IB will give you that perfect lecture and guide you all through. You see? So Yam Baba did it professionally. Nkuoku maka Odogwu and Aisha. Ngoma ngosi nye oshi aye. And let me shock you, it is not arranged. Ana meku my opinion. Ana meku what I understand. I am not even seeking his contribution. I say it the way I want to say it. I package it the way I want to package it. I shift it to him. He will shift it. He will not come one day to come and start doing whatever or whatever. He did not do that. One day he did not do that. Even when I wished him a happy birthday, he happily commented back. Acknowledge that happy birthday. birthday. A lot of people wish Shalan happy birthday. Oneko, Oboko, Yana so, Goyana Sife, Goyana Sife, Aneko, Funafuna, Aneko Funafuna. One Cobonaria, Lunia Hiju, Oneko Funafuna Kadono. Nacho Sunday at the Uyari Alasha Yike. Go where do a casino arrive go. Yeah? Go where do a casino arrive go. My friend, I spent my money to push with the wonderful fans in Metal. Each program on a melu. Fans and they follow. Each program on a melu. Fans and they follow. Yes, fans and they follow. I know that when they see me, they will locate me. That was why I was. Then at some point, after like 1 month, 2 months, plus, I stopped. My money obodo who was somebody do good. People may choose to overlook her. Well, okay for my money obodo do very good. Hey, Oga Patrick, hey, Oga Patrick, won't my idea physical nyao. Hey, Oga Patrick, happy birthday. When you sir. Hey, me celebrate was the birthday. Can you celebrate his birthday? Yeah. Hey. When you sir. When you I give them happy birthday, sir. Na give them You see? So, Mamonyo Obodo wukwa another somebody do kwa exceptionally good. Mamonyo Obodo. Happen that people they overlook it as if na good. The woman was very helpful. She was very helpful. I called her and I spoke to her. These people wunde nwere in alowo. Mobile ego hapu ko makori nke na say ezigo gwara ya ko promote area page o megoro promote on a page gine promote. I spoke with you when you were in Ghana. You know what we discussed. They send their 100,000. Yam baba send their 100,000. Yam baba na benego ne. Yam baba nwelu 1.6 million followers in Bana Yam baba comedy. On an ego ne. Wow, to share your video na Yam baba comedy. It was it 15,000 then? Either 15,000. When kill 10,000. When kill 5,000. When kill Gunetua. Yeah? Etua Koswedo. Now let me shock you. Only a day name like a video 4 or 5. A one go na different page see Yam baba. Abako hanchani in the noko. That was the kind of page promotion I did with money. With ego kanji wemeyo. How will in case if you don't know. I say we send the area 100,000 go we make giveaway. So I'm Mohammed Jega he melu my fans giveaway. Yeah. I'm Mohammed Jega he melu my fans giveaway. No worry you. Nye child 100,000. Nye 200,000. Echi niile e pota na aba. Odiega odifa this is hapu ko chalo. Yeah? Onye no no ogolu shu go taro. Onye no no send the ego. Onye no no onye ego. Onye no no ogolu e no no bata online e ba say hakele ebe ha no. He send the ego. Yeah? Flex Ferdinand, your video doesn't go anywhere, but you are here. How I wish you know you follow me. You are here. Ofeke. Ofeke. You are here. Eh? Just come all your comment on my page. A comment go more than 200 comments on my page. Yet your video doesn't go anywhere. Iweru. Eh? Iweru. Ofeka mo mgbe ekere nkokwa. Imokwa mgbe ekere nkokwa. Mo broadcast ya neme kita. Do you even know the value of this broadcast neme? You don't know because he will ofeka mo mgbe ekere nkokwa. Yes. So, okwefolo nko IB. Yeah. Okwefolo kelafe Yam baba Uncle Barry. Mamonyo Obodo. I will also call Okongu Dibia. You want to go? These people did it. Then, kudos to all those big platforms like Kanye Dons, Ogeshi Okeke, Njaka, Uncle IB. What are their names? Okay, let me not forget. Governor Isiagu. Let me not forget Governor Isiagu. At least on that part. On that part, he is good on that part. He is good on that part. Governor Isiagu can easily come into your program. He can easily come into your program with the page here, huge followers. He can easily come into your program like it's nothing. When somebody got the page, I mean, all the people. I have my personal Facebook page. I have my own. But all the programs about that program, I go in with Ezugo Global TV. But on young feel on that page, yeah, arrive go. Or the importance when you put that page. I when my mother and I Charlie way 40-something thousand followers. Each one know in where 10,000 followers. Facebook or don't really 50,000 a gig account. That was what I was feeling then. Yeah? I never knew. I thought to me is okay. Now one with 200 and something thousand followers. Now one with 100 and something thousand followers. Those days, the way he is attaching so much importance to that page. Yeah? Oche bata Owolu Ebuna Joseph Oye Kwe Wolu the main page here way bata because you feel you know about Kiji Hosie bata na my page Gunu Mesiri when then bata when the bataria so many platforms Batalone have something to offer. That is what I am saying. Also when you need to neko purusi kebe but now something in I offer. It will help to avoid this yekugarion mother page also we promote page also we grow not nya grow not nya merewunka. Yeah, ikekwe ene chekwa anya egi supposedly we make promotion of 10 videos. Yeah, promotion of 10 videos or 20 videos na page yam babagase ikekwe iworie nye yofunye. Ikekwe iworie nye yofunye oputakwa na Facebook or na say no merunga. Thank God na menye her opportunity ko meye benno. Enye no opportunity ko meye benno. Yotana Ochokata na trust uzo yesi we bend him. He wanted to bend me. It's not as if no like him or no like even name. But Ochoro go bend yamu kando submissive to him. Muajo. You want to go? I said no. And today I'm gonna reap the fruit of that. You want to go? So this is Empire, my sister. I feel your pain. Yeah, I feel your pain because believe and he cannot even hand na put asego but they are worse than that. That is why I put a I remain Ezugo. I cannot be Okeke. I cannot be Okafo. You, even if I want to listen to your idea or adjust to what you are saying, I will still adjust as Ezugo. I cannot adjust as you. I cannot do that. So my originality na this page is Ezugo from here. Nothing else. Nothing else. Every other foreign bodies that doesn't want to adopt, we fall off. They will fall off. You want to go? They will all fall off along the line. He organize you with the right people. Ancestravels, okay, always na do so much entitled. What of Ancestravels? Yawo ebo no na pia na wow or she go the videos go. She has here. Yeah? What of Ancestravels? I cannot even thank people on this page without thanking Ancestravels. I'm so many of my wonderful followers. One thing about if I had a many who are nya owunu na name na streetly na ego wife e bataro here ka e biapa may even those on name. If you want to jump on controversy, be on the reporting side. Don't analyze. Analyze it do strong. People will want you to analyze it, a set of people that doesn't fit into your own idea of a human being. we make you feel like if you don't always suit them, you will not go far. That is it. But do you remember that your kind do millions in this world? Do you even remember that your kind and people who reason like you, people who think like you, if Bobrisky can gain millions of followers on this app, what makes you think that in that your originality that you will not get followers? I'm asking you, if James Brown can get millions of followers, what makes you think followers? It is a simple logic. Even people who don't even talk at this Facebook, they have followers. Can even go, why do I need to friend like this to get followers? Yeah. On the na yawa putana brag my fans I received 50,000 last night, even after measuring that program. Wow, 50,000, but my open. Build a family here on Facebook. You must not please anybody. But I have just spoken to those people. Each is something now. But you have an idea you want people to hear. Don't quote me. It's all a part of the people who do that. They will not monetize their page. But what I said is that monetization is not the priority. The reason why I came to this app. No. And I mean it. That monetization, the main reason why I came to this app. Even what are you saying? Somebody na anokata ezugoni na-eme nka onye a nwere ike send ya ego ụfọdụ ahịa enu to self in a month. Isi ebe a nweta business. Isi ebe a nweta business yi na-eyi eme a lot of money. Yeah? A lot of money. Ụfọdụ ndị na-assign ambassadorial deal. They haven't even signed ambassadorial deal worth that money. And I'm telling you the reality. And there's so much woman even now with you. Franco Wellaby. Of course, I will definitely. Yeah, I will definitely. You know that? But that idea, that ideology, Dugolo established now. If Mark pay me money now, based on this already established idea, I will be fulfilled that I earned this money being a Zugo. I did not earn this money because I namo down to pressure. Yeah? If you are my friend in a Facebook and you don't want to appreciate the fact, that is why you see Waja. Despite your ideology, you can argue, you can do whatever thing, but off Facebook, all understanding that this is who you are. This is who you are. And if I want you what I go, and even that balogo there, it will have nothing to do with your ideology. In a na Facebook a stage, but that is the lie. That is a lie. Even na bear no mudioka, even na my place na new off video here make us we keep hitting it. That is who he is, and that is who I am. Sometimes a friendship cannot even change who you are. But you just have to understand that until I see a reason to change into that ideology. Well, if I don't have a reason, then we will do what we can, but we stand where we are. You know what I go? But some people are that water. A religious nka, no way religious nka. A shop I have challenged so many of them countless times. If I come from a Christian home and my father is a Christian, my mom died being a Christian, the whole of my family were Christians. If not this thing, here. Tell me, I'm being original. I'm not mixing it with anything. I'm being realistic with how I think and how I grew up and what I know that is the truth and what experience has taught me. Yes, if you travel to to get a different ideology. I am now talking, I have told you how you can actually push that ideology. I am telling you now how you can balance it. Balance it being original. You, look, your viewers are your viewers. Don't even take the comment of one person or two. That is why at some point I decide when you drop a comment in where goes well, as it hot. If you give it to me, you go collect back. March on in a never gundu. For the with the idea, not aggressive, yeah, that is what makes me unique. At least when you come to my page, you will know that this is who Ezugo is. This is how Ezugo behave. I don't need to polish it. Polish it, give the one na settings. A other go, a na settings, a cast go. When I came here, knew him, somebody tested me. Semo send the area number. In fact, I'll drop one number in my inbox. Semo, I should call him immediately and end the broadcast. Mbaho walk on and we and the Matokana, you got to go. We mesha, we send the area message. We send no we page your show. Can you promote you? You got to go. No we page. Also, can you promote you? Now, for all the people who have been inboxing me for page promotion, not page promotion per se, but as I wanted to, for some of you, I've referred you to Uncle IB. Now, for the shallow nation, I will promote you that page. How much of bio? If you it is better say from a mother only 1 naira, one naira, that it is better. Then you can appreciate that person. You can appreciate that person. That is if I did it. Or I have told you here that I did it. I have told you that I did it. Those days in they spend close to 50,000. Yes. But the idea and choka people, it is more important. In fact, the thing they know, the thing even though Kita was not an allofodo. If I'm not based on what I have said before and the new things I have seen and that I've added. Those days, I want people. I want people to hear me. I have more joy in people hearing me, even up to today. So you have to do it. You have to do it so that people can hear you. Now, if be original. If we can na factory settings, do not allow them. Do not allow them. Yeah? It's not as if that you will not adjust when you see something that okay, this is what it is. Yeah, you adjust. No, but let people know you. Let people know you for one thing. Let people know you for one thing. Imagine if for Kawo, no wolo na muji. Because those days somebody took our brother Woko feel no na bia ni hu akwụkwọ na bia ntu osi we bia ka bia bulu ego. And no ka bia bulu ego ka ha yeji na eneghe anya na emegu ka gono na emegu ka bia ti isi na na ka ikwu ife supposed to hide ekwu. Yeah? I'm not saying that if you want me to feature in maybe your in a content or something like that I cannot feature in that content. I mean, if that content is for a purpose or is to pass a message or maybe it is something that will not contradict what I represent here on Facebook, I will do that. Yes, we can also act something that will give a message. Either ways, people will understand that this is the message we are passing. We can do that. But EJ organize a saga or EJ organize something, now mislead the people. That one is what I said I cannot do. So if on Facebook, I'm so real about it. That is why in Jerusalem videos about Odogu and Aisha. It was real, and yet Yambaba is sharing it without getting provoked. Yes, without even trying to say, okay, because believe me, I am paying him, but he's doing me a favor. Oh my God, that publicity, you know, oh my God, that coverage. So It is him bringing me to the world. It is him bringing me to the world. And before I'm more appreciated, I have already engaged so many people. I knew I'm a money nke 200,000. Where's here? In way 200,000. If I'm not feeling on a Facebook, well, I feel. Or Junoya replies it to me. Knock at that of recent. Send the one message on a mail promotion. If you do this, then you do this in Sinekonia. You want to go? So I know how some of them carry themselves about this page of a thing. Because we will 200,000 followers that you have arrived. Yeah? Because we will 1 million. If you have 1 million followers, but you don't know how to utilize those followers, it can work. In every month to come back ego neki in earn every month. Ego neki in earn every month. Now when people on this Facebook, they make so many other things. Making money, making real money. Making real money, money that is real. Money that Facebook cannot pay you from January to December. You are not aware. You are not aware. They mocked us. They laughed at us. Yeah? For those like Lucida 10,000 followers. Okay, for if Onyamoma Renji Ulu Bosia I name program. Yeah? Franco Wallabia will do that. Father, I will do that. I will do that. You see? Yeah? Okay, for if Atoron your shade. Because I'm a modern mother. Or vibrate. Lucida followers. I ask myself, followers ya unejidu yesiofe. Unejidu yesiofe. I challenged you to a debate based on the ideology Monaro Ishi. That is to show you that these guys are not real with whatever thing they are doing. They are making money on some people's gullibility. Let me tell you what is happening on Facebook. When people want to trend, when people want to become popular, they will choose to become popular with the uncommonest opinion. Yes. When I went to come on this app, the name of my page is supposed to be unpopular opinion. Yes. In fact, I wanted to change the page to my page name to be unpopular opinion. Then after some time, we decided, I said, no, let me bear that name Ezugo, which is my name. That was how I started using Ezugo. But this page I call unpopular opinion. But I still have that page somewhere. You want to go? Now, the reason is because look at Bobrisky. Bobrisky, man, it will be difficult for him to penetrate this social media space. Being a man, which everybody is, he decided to do what? To disguise himself as another gender. That is what I mean by unpopular opinion. Opinion that is not too popular among people. You come out with it. That was also what Matthias he heard. Onyamoma Renji and the likes of them are doing. They knew that Eko to church or Eko Jesus Alpha or Eko to Bible is something that is not too common. It is something that people see as if society will look at you somehow. Yeah? You will jump on it. Yeah? You will jump on it. Yes. They will jump on it. So they are jumping on it, making money on your gullibility. Why misleading you? My worry is not that they are actually making money with it. My worry is the souls that they are misleading, knowing that this is not who they are. Now look at Matthias. Matthias, he took his family. Tell me any of them who has done exactly what Matthias has done. Tell me one person. Matthias may have his different agendas and interest, but the fact is that he's keeping it more real, more than so many of them. Are you telling me that some of these people are there? Why in a father no men abuse the church they baptize They are not interested with whatever thing that is happening there. They are not even sharing the same idea with Matthias. They are not even sharing the idea of na church a scam, na Jesus Christ, because their wife and their kids are going to church. Some of them hold position na churches, but they are just on this app to grow with that controversy, monetize the account, and start making money. You see, Onyamuma Renji has successfully monetized one account. He has monetized the second one. He has started growing the third one. Yeah? He had they went to monetize his own. At the process of monetizing his own, he lost that account. Yana Onyamuma Renji Chenogo, Eboha, Enuna Nadayo. Have you seen? I challenged him on a debate. I even kept Agos on 1 million pass here. But I made him wool. He did not come. Do you know what he said? If you know followers, that is when he is going to come for the debate. Have you seen? They are actually more interested in the numbers that give them money than the idea itself that they are sharing. Have you seen? Also, 100 followers. If I want to come and contribute in what you are saying, I will come there because I want to come and make a difference to you. But you will not see them going into programs. How many times have you seen Onyamuma Arenji going into programs the way we are going into programs? You will not see them going into programs. They are interested in that gullible group feeding on the gullibility of those people. They are more interested in numbers. They keep bragging about numbers that does not translate into money. I will tell you, 50,000 followers, yeah, and 5 million naira. Which one is better? Yeah, 50,000 followers and 5 million naira. Which one is more better? Yeah, 50,000 followers, yeah, and 500,000. Can many practical something? Yeah, but yet they are so much interested. Yeah, but Obroko from you. My own followers is so precious to me because let me tell you one thing. All guys in Nigeria do eligible for monetization. I failed and I refused to monetize my account. Then the reason is because now I monetize the account that you will no more bring in guests. I said, "Gono, oh, you bring in guests here, no, or I don't farm, or the guests that are bankata, not to Garush, or when you want to find me. You got to go." I refused because Namo Serena on Potasio go for the Kuena Kimpucha, no, go for the discussion though, subject to the Mother Batane. So then I said, no, I will not monetize them. You see, so all the people, hello, babe. So even while I look at our, I just Ndoka Wigu Expo. That is how we got. So you see, this is not being proud, but this is how we got to where it is. Those days, they used to tell us that we should go and get followers first before we can talk. Because we don't have followers then, we shouldn't talk. And I buy you, beautiful discussions, beautiful conversation. Why did I stop joining programs for them? Ọkwa because na mbata na that program ha ekwe ka nkwu okwu. Some of you mambo na aba so many programs mbata ebe ha ekwe ka nkwu okwu fa ekwe ka nkwu okwu ụfọdụ self instead they was request as na ya ha ekwe ka mbata decide okay let me start running my own show. Let me start running my own show. I started running my own show. Otherwise, those days, when I see where they are having a conversation that I want to ship in, I would like to come in. And while coming in, I would like my followers to join me in. On a wonye jewe eba ball or yako supporters club. Yeah? Ofodo ni munu on my Facebook, my personal Facebook name. Yeah? Some of you don't even know. So if I go into a program with that, how are you going to know that Ezugo is somewhere? But the moment I go in with Ezugo Global TV, my supporters, fans, yesom, were into that program. So that is to show you that their business online here is very, very different. So when you see some of them behaving in the manner how they behave, you want to go, forget about them. Yeah? So this is Empire. After your comment now, I feel your pain. I feel your pain. Nive gonna woko onaga. I feel your pain. You know I feel your pain. I understand them. That was why I tried everything possible to avoid Mpareya, and that I'm very happy that Namo avoided it. I tried everything possible to avoid Mpareya, and that I'm happy Namo avoided Mpareya. You know go. Somehow we got to somewhere. So dibenne I feel your pain, but I believe that other people know here who have an idea and they want to let it out. I think I've really said one thing or the other here that will help. Then for those ones who are coming up, I have also said something which will be helpful. If you definitely build an audience, I have told you also how you are going to sustain it. Okay, a group of people by the time you become more consistent, they will keep going off. You will keep balancing with people who are comfortable with that ideology. Career money and fly from here to here. That is why once in a while, when you have a different opinion about something, people will not. I mean, I've said something here whereby some of the fans maybe will disagree with me. As you go, no, this one we don't. Yes, you are free not to agree with it. But the fact remains that when we come to the same issue where we are always together, we always think like minds. Yes, stay alone and build your page. Or watch very well before you associate with Indiala. This is Kusharia. And that is why I chose them to use my money. I chose them to use my money. But if you don't have money, go to Uncle IB's class. Start from there. If you have something to offer, people will come in. It is more difficult sometimes for some people who are, because now for people who are talking about issues they do Isiagu. Somebody somewhere like if you like I've said it here. I really commend Idons. Idons can before now Idons short better. These are guys in our building pages. Osefo Ogesho Keken Jaka with 1 million followers. Send their request. These are guys who are not bragging about anything. 100 and something or 200 and something thousand followers. And I brag. Aneku. And I brag. Aneku. You want to go? Holding down. Holding down. Build on your capacity. Build on your capacity. If you have resources, put it into what you believe in. You will go far. You will go far. You will go far. Yam Baba Wodogu, Yam Baba Odala, Dashe Kadagayo, Uncle IB, Dashe, Mamonyo Budo, Dashe, I can call them. A Chaka Nation can do to it. Ndaunde, so many people. I hope I'm not forgetting them. so many Igbo content creators and other people nwelu platforms that other form upuga with their platforms. Waja nyekwalu page ya aka ofuma o. I have to be honest with you. Waja nyelu this page aka very well without bragging about it. Without bragging about it. Now this is somebody online and offline. In fact, he is even more loaded offline than online. But before you get to channel Mudio can well address. And address here to legit. Address here address here So when I was watching them, one day, nje na page ye, nwuru number, mboye na phone, mbatalofu, wow. One thing no, mflebe waja no then, obulo that na followers here no 100,000 but all bata na Facebook, all the audience, like all bata na Facebook, people now bata them to come and see what he's saying. That is one thing mflebe no then. So, but discussion I wanted to engage him. I want us to share that idea together. I called him on phone. One touch. Obikie. Nkowachari onye musi no so and so person. Then was after the issue of Okongudibia. Onye chalo Okongudibia 1 million. You know. That time when you na Jpac in a no contact here, no contact here, no contact you know. So everybody was seeing him, everybody, and what I got an idea then no a big man. What I go. So when I was calling him, I was having that impression, somebody now I was expecting so many reactions in return. So when I called him, he picked up my call. I fix here a program. No one I fix here a program that I would like us to talk. Okay, can I fix here 8 o'clock this evening? And see okay, not okay. Or they will take ebe 6 to 7. Nyama will like a semo no program I can do so and so time. Or semo okay, even me bata work mobile. Then can nyama way bata. So without any pride. That was how we started. Without any pride. Yes. And waja so we build on my platform. Because then we more present now online. We very too much presence online. Even now, we much presence online. So when you call on him anytime, he joins your program. And all but program, all people but your program. You see, they are not bragging about it. They are not using it against you. Even when you make a program and call their names, even when you disagree with them and argue with them at length online, they will not use it against you. They will not use it against you. You see, those are the kind of people when you talk about those people, you appreciate them. You appreciate them. Bronde ya wugara la munyo wa ndibisi na Melegono. This is how you kugalele on because of the Melegono. Ibulago ko eji kugalele on. Yeah. This is jini wayo na agbago. All muma wezugo. Afara ka awu sorry. E wata go maka onye owu na no ni hu awugbo supposedly nwe ife ji wede ebube. All ni nwe ife ji wede ebube. Je chowe ife ahi ji wede ebube. E shota ife ahi ji wede ebube. Ma ni jide na ogu ihu awugbo. You want to go? I'm not a Montana class uncle IB. I'm not a Montana class uncle IB. It's not a hit you with them. It's not a hit you with unique. A man. So I will leave it here. I believe that I have said something that actually good this night.